welcome to the channel, and my name is Ankit Jaswal, and today we are going to do our first project of the series. Now the project is an application which you can use in your project to make it a great one or optimize your cost for the project. So for me it was an optimization of the cost. So I'll explain you how I used it for that. So one of my project was there. So the project name is live feed based automated robotic arm. So there is a robotic arm which I have made, and at the top of it I have to place a camera. That camera will take everything. That camera will take the photo or the feed of everything which is placed on the ground, and that feed will be transferred to my laptop. And on my laptop, if I click on the any object placed on the ground, if I click on it, so what happened? My robotic arm place itself and pick it up. So for that I need a camera which should be placed at the top of the robotic arm. So that and it should be must be or like that it can communicate with my laptop. It should have that as functionality, like it can get connected to my laptop wirelessly. So what I have done, I have used my phone camera instead. I have paid 12,000 for my phone, and that phone have a great quality of camera. So what I did, I just used it for my purpose. So I just connected my phone camera with my laptop and done everything regarding the image processing and all for the project to be needed. So today I'm going to explain you that only how you can use it in your project in order to optimize or get succeed in your project. So let's get started with the code. I will explain you everything. So firstly, let's do one thing. Download IP webcam app from Play Store. Okay, after downloading the app, okay, pause it for a second. After downloading it, then make sure you are on to our channel and watching this video. So let's get started with the code. So let's get started. To start with this project, you first have to download IP webcam on your phone. Go to the Play Store or search for IP webcam and then download it. After that, open the app, go to the bottom of the app. There you will see Start Server. Just click on it. After you click on it, you will get an IP address. Your camera will start and you will get an IP address written at the bottom of your screen. Just note that IP address, and what you have to do, you just have to put that IP address over here and then give a slash, then write video. I will explain it this all code in a while. After that, okay, that's done. That's everything with your phone. It's okay. Now let's come to our laptop. The prerequisites are, you should install Python, and after that you should also install the module OpenCV in it. After completing those steps, open any of your IDE, then import CV2. Now we are importing OpenCV, and actually OpenCV is used for all the image processing stuff like related to camera, video, or any photo processing or image processing. You want to change the color and now you want to remove the noises in it, you can use OpenCV. This is a great module for learning. You can learn it, and it has a great applications and implementations too. So over here we have declared a variable URL, and that URL is a string which will consist of the IP address which we have found from our IP webcam app. After that you have to put slash video. Okay, now the thing is, you have to create a video capture object which is present in CV2 module, object of a video capture, and you have to put URL in its argument, and this object will be called as cap. Now what it will be doing, I'll tell you in a while. So this cap initializes a video capture object. So what happened, this cap is an object of the video capture, and this will be used for fetching the image from the from our phone camera. So for this we have to get into a infinite loop, because you all know that a video is what? Video is picture which is changing very fast, and and our eyes get a glimpse that it's a video. So what we'll do, we'll be capturing pictures, and then we'll be capturing it uh, in a few milliseconds of time. Maybe for here, like, we will be capturing in every 1 milliseconds. So for that we have to get into a infinite loop which runs every 1 milliseconds. Okay, so over here with our cap, that is object of the video capture, we use a function read which is in the class of the video capture, as we have made object of it. Let's don't go much into object and classes. You can say read is a function which is present in cap. So using read function of the cap, we can read the frames. This frame is nothing but photos which will be getting fetched from our phone camera. And now what we will do, we'll see one thing. If frame is not none mean if there is a frame or not. If there is an error, then the frame will be none, and if there is not an error, then, or if it is able to read frame correctly, then frame will be not none. So if frame is read correctly, we'll call this function cv2.imshow. So cv2.imshow, it receive two parameter frame, that will be the name of the window. You can say the name of this window is spider python 3.6. Likely that we will have a window pop up over here, and that will be named as frame, and then we'll fetch this frame which we have taken from our camera, and we will put into it. So what it will do, it will make a pop-up of you can say it will make a pop-up of a window, and that window will be showing a picture. And then this one, wait. Now I have told you, like, we have to wait for 1 millisecond or like that. So how much time you want to wait before you fetch the another video, another picture? That depend upon this parameter 1. For if you give 1, then it will be a 1 milliseconds. Mean it will wait for 1 milliseconds, and within that 1 millisecond, if we press any of the key, that's why it's can wait key, any of the key in our keyboard, then what it will do, it will assign that key to Q, and if that Q is equal to original Q, mean like if we press the Q in our keyboard, then both Q matches and it will come out of the loop. And if we press any other key, then this doesn't match and nothing will happen. So in order to exit from the video, from the window which is displaying our video, in order to stop that video, we have to press Q. So every time it comes into loop, it wait for 1 milliseconds. If in that 1 millisecond, if we press Q, then what will happen, it will come out of the loop. Otherwise it will goes for infinite time. After coming out of the loop, cv2.destroy all window and cap.release. I'll explain you for this towards, and for now I'll be showing you some demo of how it is working. Okay, let's start with the demo. Now I'll be running this program and you can see me. Hello people. Okay, to close this window, what I've asked you to do, you have to press Q. That's it. You are done with your very first program. So everything is done, but except these two things. So what are these? So cv2.destroy window, actually the window that popped up. Okay, so after coming out of this loop, I know that there is no need to display the video, so I need to close that window, or I have to destroy window. For that we use cv2 dot destroy all windows. Mean any number of window which were open will be destroyed, and after that we will cap that release. It will release the camera from getting used into this program. Actually, when this program run, it get hold of the camera, any camera like phone camera or the web camera. So if we don't release it, then if we are doing some Google Meet stuff, then at that time you cannot get hold of the camera. At that time it will tell you something like this, like the camera cannot be accessed since it is used in some other program. So for that, in order to get rid of that, we should always use cap.release so that we can get rid of the resources which is connected with this program. So that's it. I'll be sending this code, and if you have any doubt, feel free to contact me. Feel free to comment. We will reply each and every comment of yours. We'll try to reply for sure. And if you are in first year and you are in Anat Dugapur, you can ping me up and I'll give you a WhatsApp group link. You can join there, and over there we discuss about this, about any problem you have or any guidance you need. So that's it for now. Uh, Thank you and see you in the next video.